Hello everyone, it's Mrs. Thomas again. I am creating another video today in hopes that I can help some of you understand how to submit your PDF assignments. So you might have seen my first video that was instructions as to how to download our PDF worksheets and how to fill them out with this text tool on your computer. It gives you the opportunity to use Adobe Reader to fill it out. However, once you have finished your worksheets, like you see in my example, obviously I don't have the correct answers here today. I have my worksheet finished, and I know that because I have all of my answers. I've included my units. I have done both pages, and I've followed all the directions. So now that I know I am finished with my PDF worksheet using that Adobe tool to fill it, I can go ahead and save it. So I'm going to go to File, and I'm going to push Save As in that drop-down menu. And now I have a choice as to where to save it. So I'm going to save it to my computer, and I'm going to choose to save it to my desktop. That's the easiest place for me to find a file when I need to select it to turn it in. So now it's brought me to this file viewer. I can take a look at all of the files on my desktop, and I am going to save this with my name so I know what it is and I know that it's mine. So I'm just going to put Thomas at the end so I can clearly see that it is my work that's also included on here. And it's going to save it as a PDF file. So now that I have saved it, I use the Save As button, and I've included my name to show that it's my completed worksheet. I'm going to push the Save button, and it's now saved on my desktop. So I am now ready to go into my physical science course in the OMS, and that's in your internet browser. And first thing you need to do is to go to your physical science homepage. So as you can see, I am signed in as a student today. So the view that you are seeing in this video now should be the view that you have in your course. I have my assignment saved and completed so that I know that I am ready to submit it. In order to submit it, you have to go back to the same place that you found it originally. So I'm going into course content. That's the stuff that we have in our class to read and to do. This worksheet was from 1.03, so I'm going to click and make sure I'm in the correct section. And I know that I have an assignment to turn in because I see this blue Dropbox icon. I made an announcement earlier in the course that every time you see this blue Dropbox icon, it shows that there is an additional PDF document for you to complete. So just like you did with this one, you were able to download it and to either print it or use the PDF tool to complete it. And now we'll be submitting it back to the course for grading. So now that I've found the title of the worksheet that I'm going to turn in, I am going to click on it. Just click on that title right there, and it will open up to a new screen. The what thing you want to do right now is to upload it to submit it. So look for where it says submissions, and underneath it says there have been no submissions yet. That means I have not turned anything in. So what I'm going to do is I am going to push this button that says upload and find where this worksheet is. As a reminder, I saved this worksheet on my desktop. So I'm going to click on desktop on the left and find the worksheet that I named with its title and my last name to show that it's my work. So once I have found that PDF file that I saved to my desktop, I clicked it once, it's going to be highlighted, the name will show up here in the file bar, and I can go ahead and push open. Once I have opened it, you can see your new file is sitting here in the submission box waiting for you to confirm it and turn it in. So once you're able to see that file name here in the box, simply hit the submit button. And it will say underneath with a check, well done, you have completed the assignment. So that means you have now submitted it. So you can see your one submission or maybe multiple submissions if you want to try it a few times, and it will tell you the date and the time at which you turn them in at. So I hope this was helpful for you today to learn how to hand in our PDF worksheets. Please contact me by email or by phone if this isn't working for you, and I would like to help you get your assignments turned in so I can get you credit for all of your hard work. Thank you and have a great day.